Have you heard this quote by Henri Ford that has inspired me and can inspire you too? Let me share this with you. He says, when everything seems to go against you, remember that the plane takes off against the wind, not with it. Hi, I'm Lipika Sud. I'm a designer, an entrepreneur, a motivational speaker. I love sharing all things beautiful. Do subscribe to my channel. I'd love to share more with you. Think about it for a moment. Just like a plane needs the resistance of the wind to lift off the ground, you and I also need obstacles to grow and achieve our potential. Take Thomas Edison, for example. We all know that he faced numerous failures before inventing the light bulb. Each failure was like the wind pushing against him, but it ultimately led to his success. This perseverance shows how adversities can become stepping stones. In my own journey, there have been times when everything seemed to go wrong. Projects failed, plans fell apart, and it felt like I was stuck. But looking back, those tough times taught me resilience and creativity. Just like a plane using the wind to gain altitude, I used those challenges to learn and improve. You might be facing your own headwinds right now. Perhaps you're struggling with a difficult job, a tough academic program, or personal issues. It can be very overwhelming. But remember, these struggles are not signs of failure. They are opportunities for you to rise above. Embracing this mindset can transform how you approach difficulties. Instead of seeing obstacles as barriers, view them as the wind needed for your takeoff. With each challenge, you're gaining the strength and momentum to soar higher. Now let me tell you about how to treat this resistance as a positive thing. Here are 5 steps to help you turn challenges into opportunities and become successful and a winner in the long run. Tip number 1, change your perspective. Yes, when you face resistance, try to see it as a learning opportunity. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this? This shift in perspective can turn obstacles into valuable lessons. When I failed, I saw things crumbling, my company having poor management. I decided to embrace that situation and learn how to manage things better. Through embracing systems, it helped me grow. Tip number 2, stay persistent. Don't give up when things get tough. Persistence is key. Keep pushing forward, even when it feels like you're not making progress. I had so many failures that at one point I thought I'll just give up, throw up my hands and say no more. But I would go to bed every night thinking no more, but get up next morning, gather myself and tell myself that it's not about how many times you fall, but it's about how many times you get up and move forward. And that is what made me stronger. Remember, every step you take against the wind is getting you closer to your goals. Tip number 3, seek support. You don't have to face challenges alone. Reach out to friends. When I felt lost, I found people of my tribe who would understand me. My people who were mentors to me, and I could share my struggles with them, getting advice from them. It provided me with new insights and definitely boosted my morale. Tip number 4, focus on your goals. Keep your eyes on that prize. Remind yourself why you started and what you're working towards. Having a clear vision of your goals can help you stay motivated during tough times. Tip number 5, embrace failure as a stepping stone. Understand that failure is a part of the journey to success. Each failure brings you one step closer to finding what works. Embrace it, learn from it, and keep moving forward. I did. I lost all my money some years ago. I realized it was my failing. I did not manage it well. I gathered myself, worked towards it, laser sharp focus of the vision to grow. And trust me, I have not only earned it all back, but earned much, much more. So yes, if you've got this, remember, just like a plane takes off against the wind, you can use challenges to lift yourself higher. Treat resistance as a positive force and you will find yourself soaring to new heights. I hope this video was helpful. Please give a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And definitely hit the subscribe button. I would love to share more with you. Keep pushing forward and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, I believe in you. I love you. Keep smiling.